Fred. We need to get it done. We've got another job to go to.
Oh, right you are.
Now, where we go then? Are you saying that it was ironic that you became famous for knocking chimneys down? Should we pick it up from there?
You know, somehow I've turned out to be as good at knocking hearts out of golfing marriages as I am at demolishing bloody chimneys. Double ironic, man, isn't it? There were times when I was getting the leg over twice, 3 times a week.
It's magic lantern switched on.
Yes, here we go.
You know, there were like blades of grass at one time around here, chimneys like.
I wanted to ask Fred for his autograph, if that's okay.
Oh, of course, Scott, don't mind it.
Oh, blood and sawdust.
It's from my dad. I bought it for his birthday.
Oh, what's his name, love?
Arnold Grundy. But just put from Fred, will you?
Can we get going again now, Fred?
Oh, he'd love a photo if you don't mind. Could you just... Nice.
I mean, we're supposed to be over at Dot Popper. Oh, Lord, it's getting 4:30 already. Okay, let's break it up. Look, I must have the material today, Fred, otherwise I'll go full of the shit. How are you fixed for tonight?
Oh, no, plans, Scott. Just pop round the house anytime you like.
Right, in any case, I've something else I need to talk to you about. Well, I'll tell you when I see you. About 7, yeah?
You might remember me, Dad. We chatted to you at that steam rally in Wigan last month.
Oh, of course I do. Oh, it's sweltering hot, weren't it?